Do you know? No, never mind. You're McDonald's. Do you know you haven't shut up this day? You know I haven't slept all night. Stop telling me to shush! You cheeky wee git. See, they're not even answering your ring that much. That shower's brought you back to life. Got all that dust off. Got all that dust off. Now you're all hyper. See, I can actually go to sleep right now. But if I go to sleep now, I'll not sleep at night then. Oh, but then when I stay awake, I'm overtired now. I can't sleep. Kilo, you're going to bed early. Do you hear me? I'm speaking to you. Never you, mate. What did you say? What? He says we beep 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 or something. I don't know. Whoa, where's our people with Keaton? Here. Is it this one? Gee, wee shit me. You cheeky wee git. Hi, I see you there.